Good afternoon. My name is Chinyere Ogugu, working on Chemistry 115, Summer 2, Section 6, Week 5 Lab, the synthesis of fragrant esters. Beginning with dropping 4 drops of acetic acid into my test tubes numbered 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next is methanol. 5 drops of methanol into test tube 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next is 5 drops of ethanol into test tube number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next is isomel drops. My isomel, it's empty. I found out that it's empty, so I have no isomel alcohol to add into my test tube number 3. It got broken. I see it's broken, so I think everything evaporated. I'm gonna continue with adding 2 drops of sulfuric acid into every test tube. 2 drops. Sulfuric acid. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now I'm gonna gently shake as instructed and swirl and agitate test tube to mix acid alcohol. Agitating, mixing, agitating, mixing. I'm gonna set up my burner now. It's not lighting. Okay. There goes my light. Here's my water boiling. I'm gonna try to extinguish my fire. There it goes off. Okay. Placing my test tube in the beaker. That's hot. Test tube number 3, test tube number 1, test tube number 2. Timing for 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Removing test tubes from the hot water. Just they do it in the talk. Let me just pick this thing up and put it on. All right, now I'm gonna add 20 drops of water into each test tube. Ooh, he expanded thing, so it will pour. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That seemed like a lot because the tube is expanding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. One, oh gosh, that's like 3 drops. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, 20 drops of water in each test tube. Now I'm gonna agitate again. Mix. Okay, this is when I try to dictate the order. I smell bubble gum from test tube number 2. Bubble gum smell from test tube number 2. I can hardly smell anything from test tube number 3. Also, test tube number 1, I'm not able to say what it smells like. My only observation is test tube number 2. Sweet smell of bubble gum. Again, this is Chinyere Ogugu, continuing with the week 5 lab of a synthetic fragrance esters. Part 2 of the lab. It says add 4 drops of butyric acid into test tubes 4 and 5. 4 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're going to add methanol, 5 drops of methanol into the 4 test tubes, or test tube number 4. 4 drops of ethanol into test tube number 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. 5 drops of ethanol into test tube number 5. 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Again, like I said in the part 1, my isomyl alcohol is not here. It's evaporated to add into test tube number 6, so I won't be adding that. Continuing, I'm going to add 2 drops of sulfuric acid. 2 drops of sulfuric acid into all test tubes. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and 2. Gently agitate. Okay, I think I made a mistake by dropping into test tube number 7. I'm gonna get a clean test tube. My mixtures. Weigh the scale with the weighing boat. To 0 gram. Okay. Tapping out 0.2 grams of salicylic, 0.2 grams of salicylic, 0.2 grams of salicylic acid. I'm adding this to my clean test tube number 7. And now I'm gonna add 6 drops of methanol. 6 drops of methanol. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Agitating. 2 drops of sulfuric acid. 1, 2. Agitating. Return to holder. Set up a burner. My burner is set. Lighting. Okay. Water is on the fire. My water is boiling. Seems to have overboiled. Now I'm gonna put in my test tubes. Five minutes, counting. Up. Let's see what we can get out of this mixtures. For 20 drops of water into test tubes. This is test tube number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 drops of hot bath water. Now agitating, mixing and smelling.